Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing the right stainless. 304 for indoor signs, 316 for outdoors. Thickness affects stiffness. Once the sheet is clean, align your 1-1 vector and secure the metal. You clamp firmly to prevent vibration because vibration ruins edges. If using CNC, load feeds and bit specs. If plasma, set amperage and voltage for your gauge. Make sure to wear a respirator and eye protection. Safety is not optional, it's essential. You now execute the cuts, monitoring feed and speed because tool marks and heat affect finish. Once cut, separate letters carefully and inspect edges for dross or heat tint. Remove with a file and then a flap wheel for smoother transitions. Make sure to refine inside curves with needle files or rotary bits. Small mistakes show at eye level. If you want a brushed finish, grind along the intended grain, using progressively finer abrasives to control reflectivity and reduce visible scratch patterns. You finish by cleaning, passivating, and choosing your mounting method. Passivation restores chromium oxide and prevents flash rust. Once done, position letters with a jig or template so spacing is consistent. Use standoffs or hidden adhesives depending on substrate. Make sure to torque fasteners evenly to avoid twisting thin letters. If you see discoloration or rust spots, stop and repassivate or polish the area. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-finish issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.